Token sale tiers and options explained. The Shardeum token sale is structured into two tiers: Early Contributors tier and the Public tier. Each tier offers two purchase options. Option 1, General SHM Purchase. This option has a low minimum buy-in and is for users who want to buy SHM at discounted prices. Option 2, Validator SHM Purchase. This option has a minimum buy-in of $2,000 USDC and is for users who wish to run a validator on mainnet. This option ensures you have enough SHM to stake from day one of the mainnet launch. Let's dive into the pricing, discounting, and bonus details for each tier in detail. Tier 1, Early Contributors. This tier is exclusively for users who supported Shardeum during its AlphaNet, BetaNet, and incentivized testnet phases. For Option 1, the Community or the General Purchase option, the minimum investment is 500 USDC. At a price of $1.41 USDC per SHM, you will receive 355 SHM. Additionally, you'll be allocated a bonus of 350 SHM, bringing your total allocation to 705 SHM. This results in an effective price of 71 cents USDC per SHM. In Option 2, that is the Validator SHM Purchase, with a minimum investment of 2,000 USDC, you will receive 1,418 SHM at a price of $1.41 USDC per SHM. You'll also receive a bonus of 1,600 SHM, bringing your total allocation to 3,018 SHM. This gives you an effective price of 66 cents USDC per SHM. Now, let's move on to the Public tier. For those not part of the Early Contributors tier, participation is still possible by completing the KYC requirements. The Public tier offers two investment options. For Option 1, the Community or the General Purchase option, with a minimum investment of 500 USDC, you'll receive 355 SHM at a price of $1.41 USDC per token. On top of that, you'll get a bonus of 200 SHM, bringing your total allocations to 555 SHM. That means your effective price per SHM will be 90 cents USDC. Option 2 is for the Validator SHM Purchase. Here, with a minimum investment of 2,000 USDC, you'll receive 1,418 SHM, also priced at $1.41 USDC per token. Plus, you'll get a generous bonus of 1,000 SHM, making your total allocation 2,418 SHM. This brings your effective price to 83 cents USDC per SHM. This is your final call to buy SHM before public trading begins at exclusive pricing. The Shardeum token sale ends on April 14th, 2025. Don't miss out.